everyone, my name is Jayashree Asopa. Today I am discussing about difference between plant cells and animal cells. Cells and animal cells, both cells are eukaryotic cells. Yesterday we was see difference between difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, and we saw yesterday character of eukaryotic cells. So today we are see uh, difference between plant cells and animal cells. Now we start that. First, here are show diagrammatic representation of plant cells and animal cells. One by one we are covered every points in a difference between plant cells and animal cells. Approx 7 differences are between plant cells and animal cells. So first, cell wall. In a plant cells, rigid cell wall found. Rigid means a strong and tough cell wall are found in a plant cells. It's a cell wall made by a cellulose and protect of the cell and support structure of the cell wall. Compared to animal cell do not have cell wall. Only animal cell have a cell membrane found. Second, in a plant cells, a large central vacuoles are in a well-developed condition found. This is a centriole in a large well-developed centriole. This type of centriole found in a plant cells but absent in a animal cells. Here are absent centrioles in a animal cells. There are many small vacuoles are found. In a vacuoles, large vacuoles store water, nutrition and waste material in the form of water and other substance. Third difference is a chloroplast. Chloroplast found in a mainly chloroplast found in a plant cells and responsible for photosynthesis. Through the photosynthesis process, plants make their own food. And chloroplast, this is a chloroplast. Chloroplast absent in animal cells. In a animal cells, food produced through the other organism. Animal cells depend on other organism. Next, fourth, like centrosome or centrioles. In a plant cells, centrioles or centrosome absent because in a plant cells almost a sexual type of reproduction found, but in a animal cells centrioles are present in a well developed condition. This is the centrioles, and these centrioles through dividation complete in a animal cells, especially in a meiosis division. Because in animal cells both type of reproduction found, asexual and sexual type of reproduction found in animal cells. Fifth, like lysosomes, you know that every cells have many organelles like as a mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, centrioles, endoplasmic reticulum. So in a plant cells, lysosomes absent. We also call the lysosome suicide back. Lysosomes destroy waste substance in a cells. So lysosomes are absent in a plant cells, but lysosomes are present in a animal cell. In a animal cell, lysosomes destroy waste substance in a cytoplasm. Next, shape and structure. We see plant cells have a fixed, often fixed structure, approximately rectangular, rigid cell wall presence in a plant cells, but in an animal is a irregular shapes. There are no fixed shapes in a animal cell. Seventh point is in a plant cells food storage reserve in a form of starch, uh, but in animal cells food reserve in a form of glycogen. So this type difference between plant cells and animal cells here are show diagrammatic representation. You see here, this is a cell wall surrounding of the cell protect the cell. Second is a mitochondria. This is a mitochondria provide energy of a cell. This is a ribosomes. Uh, both type of ribosomes are found in it. Golgi bodies. This is a Golgi bodies. Tubular and circular structure of a Golgi bodies. This is a nucleus. In a nucleus also found in a nucleus. Nucleus surrounded with the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum long and elongated structures. They have two type of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum with a ribosomes, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes. This is a largest vacuoles. In it store water, nutrition and waste products. It is a single largest vacuoles found in a plant cells. Some starch grains are found in a plant cells. Chloroplast also found in a plant cells and responsible for photosynthesis. With the help of chloroplast, plant cells making their own food. So this type we see here structure of plant cells. Next, here are animal cells. This is a animal cells. This animal cells without the cell wall only, they are found in a cell membrane. This is a cell membrane. Lysosomes are found in a well developed condition in a animal cells. Lysosomes absorb waste materials in a cytoplasm. This is a mitochondria. Mitochondria it is a powerhouse of the cell and provide energy in the cell. This is a Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies surrounding of the near of the cell and responsible for produce many type of enzymes in a cytoplasm. This is a nucleus surrounding with a two type of endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In it also nucleus also in a nucleus and nucleus chromosomes are found. And this is a centrioles responsible for cell division in the animal cells. Some microtubules are also found in the cells. Ribosomes 17 and 80s type of ribosomes are found in a animal cell. So we see here difference between plant cells and animal cells. I hope you understand this difference between plant cells and animal cells. If you understand my session, then you like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.